Wait, where are you going? Are you a CSS aspirant, writing essays, struggling with grammar, or wondering how to start preparation for CSS exams? Have you realized that the greatest hurdle between you and success is English language? Either you don't know what to read or you struggle with how to read. All you need is a teacher who understands the nitty-gritty of English language that is related to competitive exams. Students from far-flung areas come to Lahore to join our classes. However, this year, on the repeated request of our students nationwide, we are offering a regular Zoom session. With daily Zoom lectures, daily writing assignments, and weekly homework assessment, you will be able to develop expression, improve writing skills, and finally master the art of essay writing in just 8 weeks. Impossible? Everything is possible if you are determined to catch up with our pace. Seats are limited and admission is given on first come, first served basis. Book your slot now.